What is a Memorandum of Association? A Memorandum of Association (MOA) is a legal document that sets out the constitution and objectives of a company. It includes essential details such as the company's name, registered office address, objectives, and the types of activities the company is authorized to undertake. Essentially, it defines the scope of the company's operations and its relationship with the outside world. It is a crucial document required during the formation of a company and must be filed with the relevant government authority, such as the company's registrar, during the registration process. In the context of Indian law, the Memorandum of Association (MOA) holds significant importance as it is a foundational document required for the incorporation of a company under the Companies Act, 2013. Here's how it works within the Indian legal framework. 1. Legal requirement under Section 4 of the Companies Act, 2013. Every company must have a Memorandum of Association, which is to be filed with the Registrar of Companies during the process of incorporation. 2. Contents. The Memorandum of Association in India contains similar clauses to those mentioned earlier, including the name clause, registered office clause, object clause, liability clause, and capital clause. These clauses must comply with the requirements specified in the Companies Act. 3. Name reservation. Before drafting the MOA, a company must obtain approval for its proposed name from the Registrar of Companies. The approved name is then mentioned in the MOA's name clause. 4. Object clause. In Indian company law, the object clause is particularly crucial. It defines the main objectives and activities that the company is authorized to pursue. The company is restricted to activities mentioned in this clause, and any deviation requires the approval of shareholders through a special resolution. 5. Alteration. While certain clauses of the memorandum can be altered later, such as the registered office clause or capital clause, the object clause, which outlines the company's main activities, can only be altered through a special resolution passed by the shareholders and with the approval of the central government. 6. Public inspection. The Memorandum of Association is a public document, and anyone can inspect it by paying the prescribed fee to the Registrar of Companies. This transparency ensures accountability and legal compliance. The MOA plays a crucial role in the formation and operation of companies in India, providing a legal framework for their existence and functioning within the Indian legal system. The content of a MOA generally includes: 1. Name clause. This clause states the name of the company, which must end with words like limited or incorporated depending on the type of company. 2. Registered office clause. It specifies the address of the company's registered office, where official correspondence and legal notices are sent. 3. Object clause. This section outlines the company's objectives and the activities it is authorized to undertake. It's essential for defining the scope of the company's operations. 4. Liability clause. This clause defines the liability of the company's members, shareholders, in case the company is wound up. It states whether the liability is limited by shares or by guarantee. 5. Capital clause. This clause states the amount of authorized capital with which the company is registered and the division of that capital into shares. 6. Association clause. This clause states the desire of the subscribers' initial shareholders to form a company and their agreement to become members shareholders of the company. These clauses together form the Memorandum of Association, providing a legal framework for the company's existence and operations.